Most people think it's just a cooling gel for sunburns. But what if I told you this slimy plant could actually hold one of the most powerful secrets for hair growth, something stronger than half the expensive products on the market? Stay with me, because what I'm about to share will probably surprise you more than you expect. Have you ever noticed how some people's hair looks naturally thicker, shinier, and healthier, like they're hiding some ancient secret? Well, here's the twist. Many of them aren't using fancy serums. They're using something as simple as aloe vera gel for hair. But wait, before I explain why, let me give you a strange example. Imagine planting a seed in dry soil. It struggles, cracks, maybe never grows. Now imagine giving that same seed rich, moist soil. Suddenly, it flourishes. That's exactly what aloe vera does to your scalp. It creates the perfect environment. The secret: vitamins, enzymes, and anti-inflammatory compounds inside the gel. They quietly repair, soothe, and strengthen. But I'll only reveal the exact method in a moment. Some people apply aloe vera directly on their scalp and see reduced dandruff in weeks. Others mix it with onion juice and suddenly notice stronger roots. Sounds unbelievable, right? But here's the thing, both work, yet in very different ways. One nourishes the scalp. The other boosts circulation like fire rushing through the roots. Which one is better? That depends on your problem. If your issue is thinning, you'll need the onion mix. If your problem is itchiness and flakes, the pure aloe vera gel for hair works like magic. And yes, you can buy all the ingredients I mentioned from the link in the description. Now, I want you to pause and think, have you ever tried aloe vera gel for hair before? Comment below with a yes if you've used it, or no if this is new for you. I'll be checking the comments to see which side wins. And hey, if you're finding this interesting, show some love by liking this video. It helps more people discover these secrets. Here's the part most people get wrong. They expect overnight miracles. But aloe vera isn't a magic potion, it's a gardener. In the first 2 to 4 weeks, you'll notice your scalp calming down, redness disappearing. By 3 months, less shedding and smoother strands. And only after 6 months, you'll start seeing true thickness and growth. Think about it. A tree doesn't become strong in one season. It's patience that builds the roots, and aloe vera gel for hair works exactly the same. But let me warn you, overnight masks aren't always safe. Leave too much gel, and you risk sticky residue or even scalp irritation. Some people even get allergic reactions. That's why before using aloe vera gel for hair overnight, always test it on a small patch first. Remember, what nourishes one person could irritate another. Now here's the mask I promised, the one recipe that combines strength and nourishment in one. Mix equal parts aloe vera gel and castor oil. Massage it into your scalp, leave it for 1 hour, then wash. Why this works: aloe vera repairs, castor oil fuels growth. Together they're like a supercharger for your hair. But again, it only works if you repeat it weekly. Consistency is the hidden ingredient. So whether you're battling dandruff, thinning, or just want shine, the answer might be right inside aloe vera gel for hair. But remember, all this will be useless if you don't know the secrets in this video.